Ladders. They're simple tools we trust every day on construction sites. But, every year, thousands of injuries and even deaths are caused by falls from ladders. Most of them, honestly, are preventable. So, are you truly using ladders safely? Introducing the Ladder Safety for Construction course by OSHA Outreach Courses. This powerful 27-minute online training is your essential guide to choosing the right ladder, inspecting it properly, setting it up safely, and using it the right way. Here's what you'll walk away with: how to select the right ladder based on your task and environment. How to inspect your ladder before every single use. Hidden damage could cost you your life. Step-by-step guidance on setting up ladders properly, including how to secure them and where to place them safely. And the correct techniques for climbing, carrying, and working on ladders without putting yourself or others at risk. Setting up a ladder might seem simple, but one wrong decision can lead to disaster. You'll learn how to check for power lines, secure your ladder's footing, and set the perfect climbing angle the right way, every time. Inspection is non-negotiable. Cracks, missing parts, and bent rails are red flags that are easy to miss unless you know exactly what to look for. This course shows you how to spot danger before you climb. Securing your ladder correctly is critical. We'll teach you techniques like anchoring to a structure, setting cleats behind the feet, and why level, firm ground matters more than you think. Only one person on a ladder at a time unless it's designed otherwise. And remember, maintain 3 points of contact at all times. No shortcuts, no exceptions. Weather matters too. Rain, snow, and high winds aren't just uncomfortable, they're dangerous. Learn how to recognize when it's time to pack it up and wait for safer conditions. The best part, this course is 100% online and you can complete it anytime, anywhere. And once you finish, you'll receive your official OSHA Outreach certificate, showing your commitment to safety and professionalism. Don't leave your safety to chance. Click the link in the description and enroll today in the Ladder Safety for Construction course. In just 27 minutes, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to climb higher and smarter. OSHA Outreach Courses, trusted training for safer work sites. Learn fast, work safe, lead by example.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.